solve this question. Circle passes through one vertex of rectangle and is tangential to two sides. Okay, so there is this circle which is tangential to two sides of a rectangle. So just make these sides as this, and third side, and it is passing through the third side of this rectangle. So this is the rectangle, it is tangential, this circle is tangential to these two sides. Let's call it A, B, C and D. It is more like a square, but is giving me as a rectangle, and the dimension of the rectangle are 75 and 96. So I am assuming it to be the longer side, it is 96, and it is shorter side which is 75. Now find the radius of this circle. So first of all, just connect these points, point of tangency to the center, because the line connecting point of tangency to center would be perpendicular to this tangent, and these two tangents are 90 degree to each other. So this line would be parallel to the side of rectangle, and other line joining the center and point of tangency would be parallel to this side of a rectangle. So this is the radius and this is also the radius. So it becomes radius and it becomes radius. So it becomes a square of side equal to radius of this circle. Now connect this point, this vertex, that is vertex B of this rectangle, in center of this circle. This length is also radius. Now try to form the triangle by extending this line, or from center to other side. So this side is parallel to the CD. This side, this line would be parallel to this side of rectangle, and or the length of this, because I am trying to make here the Pythagoras triangle. I know this angle is 90, and when I extend this line, so it will be perpendicular to this side of rectangle. So this is 90 degree. This length is R. This length is also known because full length is 96. This length is radius R. So it would be 96 minus R. Now this length from B to C is 75, and this length here is radius R, because these are parallel lines, these three. So it becomes 75 minus R. Now I have a right angle triangle. Sides are 75 minus R, 96 minus R, and this is R. Now we can proceed to the options, to just plug in the options and see which satisfy the Pythagorean triplet. So, or we can use Pythagoras theorem to make equations, that is R square is equal to 75 minus R whole square plus 96 minus R square. It involves so much calculating the square of 75 and 96. So smart approach would be to plug in the options. So when we plug the options, option C, that is radius equal to 51, satisfy the given scenario. Let's just put R equal to 51. So the sides become, this becomes 51 minus 75, so 24, and 51 minus 96, that is 45. So it's a triplet. 17 into 3, 51 is 17 into 3, this is 8 into 3, and it is 15 into 3. I know 17, 15 and 8 is a triplet. So correct answer to this question is option C, that is 51. Next.